This is going to be a reading for the sign of Libra, all that I need to know for the next, let's take 15 days. So, what's happening with you? Okay, first the cards for you and then move to your person. What's the energy like for the sign of Libra? With the Empress card, this month is all going to be about growth, okay? So remaining focused on what matters. With Page of Pentacles, you might also be starting something new. It could possibly be your career or your business, okay? Some of you might be meeting someone who's slightly younger than you, okay? One more card. With Four of Wands, I see you find that stability in life, be it your emotional stability, financial stability, overall balance. Okay, I see that happening. I also see a celebration coming in your life. This could be a friend's birthday, wedding, whatever. Okay, birthday, whatever, either you're hosting or you're being a part of it. One more card. What else do we see coming up for Libra? We have Page of Wands. I also see you in a lot of communication with someone you consider toxic. So I do not know who that is. This could be a ex partner. This could be your friend. This could be a cousin, whosoever. Someone you consider toxic. You will be in talking terms with them this coming month. What else do we see happening for Libra, please? With Queen of Wands, overall, I see the month being very good for you. Okay, you're going to be feeling attractive. You're going to be feeling all like positive about life, about your career, about your work. You're going to start feeling good again. To be honest, okay. One more card in terms of the overall relationship. What's happening for Libra? Okay, relationship. We have Four of Pentacles. So you both might be holding back, or you are majorly holding back. If not your person, in the recent past as well, things were on and off. Top card we have is the Strength. So a lot of resisting happening here, a lot of holding back happening here. In terms of your person, what's the energy like for Libra? For many of you, this person, I believe, could be at a long distance. Okay, this person is not very much living next to you. There's certain amount of distance. This could be emotional, physical. Okay, with the Lovers card, I also believe for some of you, not for all. Like let's take 15%. Some of you, this person could have messed up in a third party situation. That is, if they were away from you, there are good chances that a person could be entertaining someone else or could have been entertaining someone else. Okay, one card for how they think about you now. Yeah, with Eight of Cups, for many of you, this person is maintaining distance or has been maintaining distance from you in the recent past as well. When I mean recent past, I mean the past couple of days or week. Okay, I do not mean like months or years. I mean the recent days. Okay, so in the recent past as well, this person wasn't very much communicative. Okay, what's the energy like towards Libra? Five of Pentacles. This person is kind of ghosting you. Okay, I see all ghosting cards, all resisting cards. Three of Wands. Why are they doing this? What's the major blockage? I believe for many of you, your person is either trying to get your attention by ghosting you, or they have been getting attention from other people. Okay, for many of you, this connection that you have with them has somewhat on very much a ending phase. Okay, do not get triggered. What I mean by ending phases, you guys are not on a good terms with each other. Okay, one card for what are their major intentions with Libra now. A second. Queen of Pentacles. This person, that's the funny part. Okay, they still care about you. They still very much care about you. With the Devil card, but the problem is their addictions. Say, suppose your person has alcoholic addictions or drugs or sex or whatever that is. That is still affecting the connection. Okay, what do they want from you now? For now, for some of you, your person wants space. Okay, truth be told, this can be very triggering, but let the ego aside. Your person wants a little space. Okay, in terms of the relationship, do they still want it, or are they wanting to move elsewhere? See, for now, this person is choosing to stay away. Okay, what if Libra messages them? How would they react? If you message them, they'll definitely reply. Okay, they'll definitely reply, and things could get better again as well. But again, some of you might be behaving very clingy, trying to send every day like 12 to 15 messages, trying to beg them for picking up your call. That is a different case. Okay, if you don't respect yourself enough into like holding yourself back and not really doing that kind of shit, there are good chances that your person will reply back. Okay, one more card in terms of their feelings. We have Wheel of Fortune, so their feelings have never been stable. They have been more of the controlling types who never really expresses their true feelings. Okay, but if you ask me, did they have shit for you? They absolutely did. Okay, what I mean by shit is feelings. Don't get offended. One more card in terms of their heart space. Ace of Pentacles in place. Okay, we have Four of Cups in the reverse. Very recently, your person could have given up on you. Your person can give up on you and come back. Okay, so don't get mad. But I feel that in the recent past, your person kind of gave up on you. Okay, they stopped trying harder. Why so? What's the major reason? Either the connection got too difficult, or you were asking too many questions and they got triggered. Yeah, you guys have fought, and they have chosen to stay away. Okay, so what are the major intentions going to be for Libra? For now, this person still wants time to figure shit out. See, honestly speaking, your person will still need time. Okay, there are good chances that around 5th or 6th of November, your person could be returning back or trying to message you. But for the next couple of days, there could be complete silence. Okay, in terms of how do they view Libra now? In terms of your relationship, things are kind of messy. Otherwise, things are fine. Okay, they feel like you're unbothered, darling. Like they feel like you're not really into them, and you're just trying to do your own thing, and you're being super practical about it. Okay, in terms of what do they want from the relationship? See, right now your person could be focused on something else. I'm not saying a third person. I'm just saying something else. This could be into their work life or moving out or something. Okay, but they are definitely focused on something else. They are not focused on the relationship. Okay, if you ask me, is this connection over for good? No, it isn't. But it's on that breakup phase. Truth be told, but it isn't over. Okay, it's on that breakup phase. So many of you and your person have fought. There has been an argument, and that is the reason why there's so much uh, you know ghosting going on, this cold energy together. Okay, one kind of advice for Libra. See, right now you need to make a decision, darling. Two of Pentacles, you've been holding back and possibly stressing yourself out too much. Okay, if this is something you want, you got to reach out, because that is how it ends, right? It either goes left or it goes right. But if you just hold back and you keep reflecting on what has happened in the past, I don't see it getting anywhere. You guys are going to ghost each other for a long time. Okay, but if you feel like you have done something wrong that could have triggered them, then if you message them, they will reply. Things are going to start off again. Okay, so that is one. In terms of spirit messages, this was a very difficult reading. Again, I wasn't doing readings for September and October much, because I wasn't feeling like, sometimes your energy is just down. I was more focused on personal readings, because those are much more easier, because it's one to one. For regular readings, general readings, you need a lot of energy, darling. I'm too messed up right now to involve you in my life. Your person could be a lot messed up. For some of you, they still have unfinished business elsewhere. So they're still sorting that out. Okay, one more card. Felt you would not hold on long. So you kind of give them the vibe that you are not wanting to hold on long after the fight, maybe. What else for Libra? I fear breaking my heart again. So maybe, just maybe for some of you, you have rejected them and they fear, breaking their heart again. That's the reason why they are not reaching out. Okay, conflict, something got in the way. Definitely for many of you, like around 60% of you, you guys have had a fight. It's either one on one or it's a cold war going on. But yeah, there's definitely this fight situation going on. Okay, some of you, they feel like you are out of reach and you won't be bothered with them or about them, and that is the reason why they could not be reaching out. Okay, uh, they feel you're still possessive about them, however, but not really much into the connection. Very much so. Right now, if you ask me, do they still want to marry you or do they still want to end up with you? They do not know. Okay, pulls away, guilty, little efforts, be away. So I still believe that if you hold back right now, there are very less chances that this person will completely make the move and offer you commitment or whatever. Okay, it could take time, a week's time, maybe around 6 7. That is when it's much more possible that they'll reach out. For now, things are going to be slow. Okay, again, for many of you, the reading might not resonate at all. Your situation might be completely different, so don't get triggered. Okay, if your life is going really good, stop watching tarot. Okay, so don't try to confuse yourself. Only watch tarot when your life is confusing or your love life is confusing. Okay, that is when you really watch tarot. Okay, so I hope it's clear. So this was your reading for Libra. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Please do know that whatever I do here is I just tell you whatever cards I see. Okay, I'm not gonna say that I'm the most authentic, real, whatever. If it resonate, it resonate. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay, so if it has helped you in any which way, please hit the like button. That's how you support the channel. And if you guys want a personal reading, do reach out on the website and book one for yourself. I have like a lot of options down there. I've also started something new recently. It's a yes and no answer reading. It's just one word answer with a small one line explanation. It's not audio, it's not video, it's a text format, a PDF format. Okay, so if you're wanting something like that, like say suppose is this job good, is this person right for me, is this person going to hold on, yes, that is something that you could go for. It's a basic reading around $10 to $12. Okay, so yes, that is all. And again, I'm really sorry for not being very active. Just could not be. I was not in the energy. So yeah, I missed you all though. I miss doing live readings. I really miss doing live readings. I haven't connected with you for a long time. Okay, I wish to do that in the coming days. Okay, so I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers. Thank you so much.